So what we just ran into in that other video was what we call a bug, where something goes wrong and it doesn't work right. It should have gone to the siege process. So hopefully this will work. Part of what you're going to be doing is play testing and helping me debug things. So when you run into a problem like that, if you wouldn't mind writing up a little note explaining, hey, I was doing this, and here's this. You can even send me a screenshot. Here's what happened, so I can try and fix these. But you shouldn't see too many bugs. It should be working pretty smoothly. Anyways, what is a siege? Well, uh, Constantinople is surrounded by these massive, massive walls, which, not surprisingly, the Byzantine Empire put a lot of money, time, and lives into building. And that's represented by the little walls section up here. The more walls you have, the better protected the city is. When the walls are reduced down to zero, your city falls. And that is the end of the game because you're going to be defeated by whomever. If you manage to make it through all 30 cards and your city has not fallen to a siege, then you have definitely achieved a victory and you will be uh, given that reward, those accolades for winning. But here I just wanted to show you what's going to happen when there is a siege. In this case, the Persians are besieging the city. That's going to damage, of course, one of these things. I'm going to decrease this. And now we get this odd little box. And again, we are, together we are developing this game further. So you're going to see some changes in how things look as we go along. But here are the Persians. They're besieging the city. Your walls are at 2. And so we have to roll this die. And we would like to roll less than a 4 this time. No! The Persians have knocked down the walls, and the walls are greatly weakened. Now we only have 1 left. Let us do that again. Oh, curses! The walls have fallen, and the Persians overwhelm the city, and we have been defeated. So we click defeat to be taken to that screen. And we suffered a crushing defeat. How terrible. With the various cities, various enemies all closing in very early on here in the game, only 8 cards in. So that is basically how you play this game. You can play again immediately by clicking here, and it'll take you back here. You can play in historic order of the cards in the order of the events that occur. It kind of smooths things out play wise, but also is obviously much more historical. Basic game, it tends to be more um, challenging, shall we say, because bad things can pile up very, very quickly. But I now leave the empire in your capable hands. Feel free to just, mess around with this and figure out which ones of the events you would like to do a little research on, do a paragraph or two writing up, maybe find a couple of pictures that we could use and that we can incorporate into this game and make it a better learning tool for students around the world who are learning about the Byzantine Empire. So there we go. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.